Welcome to the Build It All Starter Kit, the future of at-home electronics learning. Here at Circuit Lab, our mission is to take professional electronics prototyping tools, the same ones used by electrical engineers every day, and turn them into STEM education tools by making software and curriculum which are accessible enough for anyone to learn and play. We've spent the past 3 years offering electronics classes in elementary and middle schools around the Boston area, and now for the first time are packaging our unique curriculum and set of parts as a kit for at-home learning. The Arduino-compatible UNO microcontroller board is the heart of our kit. The UNO is one of the most versatile tools available in the world of interactive electronics. The Build It All kit also includes a variety of sensors and small components. Our projects are designed to be very safe, never using more than 9 volts and not requiring any soldering, so the kit is appropriate for ages 8 and up. We've created an online adaptation of our programming platform called CodeLab, which is intuitive to use and allows for easy creation of code for the UNO board. CodeLab makes programming microcontrollers, something only accessible to professionals until recently, into a creative, kid-friendly, and easy-to-navigate experience. Finally, we are developing a series of video tutorials to guide you through learning how to design, assemble, and program your interactive circuits. Each project also comes with a series of challenges to try out, so you can stretch your newfound circuitry and coding skills. Your support will go towards the development of CodeLab software, online video tutorials based on our curriculum, and the production and shipping of our first run of at-home kits. By supporting this Kickstarter, you are supporting our unique brand of STEM education and creating the opportunity for everyone to have access to a cutting-edge electronics learning experience.
Yeah.